Hi everyone, welcome to Math with Miss Fudge. Have you ever wondered what 0.3 actually looks like? Is it just a number? Or can we see it? Today, we're going to bring decimals to life by representing decimals that name tenth, hundredth, and thousandth as decimals using models that show exactly what they mean, and once you see it, you will never think of decimals the same way again. Come on, let's get straight to the lesson. We will be using the models called the grid. Look at this grid and tell me what you notice. If you say that this one is divided into 10 parts, and this is divided into 100 parts, and this is divided into 1000 parts, you're 100% correct. This is called the 10th grid, this is the 100th grid, and this is the 1000th grid. Shade the model, then write each fraction in word form and as a decimal. We need to shade 32 out of 100 on the 100th grid. So we will be shading the numerator on the grid. From top to bottom, we have 10 small squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I will shade in tens to get 30, and I will shade the 2 individually. So 10, 20, 30, 31, 32. In word form, it's written as 32 hundredths. And as decimal, it's 0.32. 2 digits after the decimal point because it's out of 100 and you have 2 zeros in hundreds. In this example, we need to shade 26 out of 100. So we will shade 26 small squares. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. In word form, it is written as 26 hundredths. And as decimal, it is 0.26. Good job. Here we have 2 out of 10. So because it's out of 10, we're using the 10th grid. So we need to shade the numerator, which is 2. Shade 2 parts. 1, 2. To write it as word form, we use the numerator. The numerator is 2. 2 what? The grid is called tenth. So it's 2 tenths. Now as decimal, it's 0.2. 0.2 because the denominator is 10. And you have 1 0 in 10. It means it should have 1 decimal place. Let's see one more. 5 out of 10. What grid do you think we're going to be using here? Yes, we will use the 10th grid. So how many parts do you think we'll shade here? Is it 5 or 10? Good job. We will shade 5 parts because in the numerator we have 5 as the numerator. So we're going ahead to shade 5 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now to write it in word form, we go ahead and use what we have in our numerator. We have the number 5, so we write it in word as 5. 5 words, the name of the grid helps us to know what to put next. So here the grid is the 10th grid, so it is 5 tenths. Or the denominator can also help you to know what you put. Here it's 10, so it's 5 tenths. As decimal, it is 0 point, the numerator, 5. And it's 1 decimal place because we have 1 0 in the 10. In this example, we want to shade 37 out of 1000 on the 1000 grid model. So if you count from top to bottom, you have 10 small squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we'll be shading, remember we have 37, we'll shade in tens to get 30, and the 7 will shade one after the other. So let's shade 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. In word form, it is written as 37 thousandths. As decimal, it is 0.037. It's 3 digits after the decimal point because it's out of 1000, and in 1000 you have 3 zeros. Here we need to model 8 out of 1000. It means we're going to shade 8 small squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In word form, it is 8 thousandths. And as decimal, it will be written as 0.008. Good job! If you've had fun representing decimals with Miss Fudge, give this video a thumbs up, share for others to learn, and hit that subscribe button to subscribe to this channel for more helpful math videos. And remember to turn on your notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Until I come your way next time. Bye!